So hi, today we will look at the charts of Nifty. Now the Nifty here, this is weekly chart, went into a fantastic uptrend in 2020 and then had corrected it in a double zigzag for wave 2, then went up, then corrected again in a double zigzag, and here we have counted this as wave 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 1 of 3 of 3, 2 of 3 of 3, and now 3 of 3 to the upside is probably going on. So if we go back and see the daily chart is pretty interesting. The daily chart shows a very nice uptrend once we identified the start of 3 of 3, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves up. So this is certainly impulsive. Now, is this the right subdivision? We do not know, but we do know that this is going up impulsively and coming down in 3 waves. So for the time being, let us put a working count on this. So this was the working count on the move in the Nifty in the past few days. And then Nifty, as you know, corrected pretty sharply for this last week. Now let us dial this down to the hourly chart. The hourly chart is very interesting. And the hourly chart shows a 3-wave decline, A, B and C. And you can see on the RSI below, there is a bullish divergence between the wave A low and the wave C low. And then today the price action has turned back to the upside. So we feel that this 3-wave decline is pretty much over. And as you can see, it has filled this gap over here, which we are watching very closely. And we think that the price action has to turn to the upside for now. So if this is working out as we think it should, this looks like a correction of this whole move, and then price action should take up to the upside and we should hit new highs within the next week for sure. So we are long on the Nifty, and we think that wave 3 to the upside will now gain more momentum, and it will be pretty interesting to watch. So one can argue that this correction is very shallow for a move of this size. But remember, wave 3 is generally the corrections are very shallow in both in time and in price. So we are cognizant of that, and we are watching for a move back to the upside in earnest. Also, let us have a look at the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty has been pretty much more strong since the beginning, and you can see that the correction have been even shallower. So here we can count 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and then the same kind of structure, which we can say this is 1, 2, 1, 2, and the wave 3 to the upside is already in progress on the weekly chart. And then the daily chart, you can see this is a nice 5-wave structure, and then there was a sideways correction. Go back to the hourly chart. Hourly chart shows a very nice uptrend. Then this correction was there, and which again is a ABC decline, which is, what do you think it is? 1 moment. So this looks like a running flat correction where the price action is resuming to the upside very quickly. So both the indexes look pretty strong to me. I may be wrong. If Nifty goes and corrects some more, and Bank Nifty can also go into a complex correction, then we will see a downside again. And but as of now, our stop losses on our long positions in the Bank Nifty would be below today's low, and in the Nifty also below today's low. Let us see how the next week goes. But the next week and the month of June should be very interesting to watch. So that is all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you like this channel, do subscribe, share or comment. Thank you and have a nice weekend.